California College of Ayurveda is a world leader and pioneer of Ayurvedic education. Founded in 1995 by renowned Ayurvedic physician Dr. Marc Halpern, we have been providing the most comprehensive education in the field of Ayurveda for more than 25 years, with thousands of graduates worldwide. Come tour our campus in historic Nevada City, California, and visit our classrooms, herbal pharmacy, gardens, spa, and Panchakarma Center. Enrollment is easy. Our admissions advisors are here to support you through the entire process. Come and join us. Become a part of a movement to transform our health and our society into a balanced, harmonious, and peaceful existence.